Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm going to unbox this for you in just a second. This was on my porch, and I do live on a dirt road, but holy cow, look. I don't even want to touch it. I mean, I know I'm just going to take this off and throw it away, but it is a dirty mess, okay? That's what bags are for, right? That's what the protection's for, but I didn't even want to touch that. All right, so let me get out my new knife that my husband found me, and let's get into it. I really just, it's a mess, you guys. It's just a mess. All right, and this packaging is thick. Come on. Let's get into it. Oh, goodness. Okay, I don't have a knife that's sharp enough. I don't know. Apparently. Cow. Okay. Hang on. What else we got in here? That one must not be very sharp. I don't know. How's this one? Oh, trusty X-Acto knife. Yeah. Okay. I just can't believe how dirty and grungy this thing is. There. I think I'm in. All right. Okay. Let's go. Who's it from, folks? Who's it from? Yes. It is from Distracted by Diamonds. Now, as you know, I don't have very many Distracted by Diamonds. But this was a total impulse buy. I mean, I saw Jessica from Tiny Worlds of Wonder, and I was like, really? Oh, gosh. So, yeah, I just did it. I don't know. I did it, you guys. All right, we're all done with the grubby, outsidey, paper, plasticky stuff. Okay. All right. Here's her new box. I mean, it's not new anymore, I suppose. It's been around for a while, but it's got her logo on the front here, you know, this glam girl. And it's very shiny and holographic, but we don't care about the box, right? It's a pretty box, but we don't care about the box. We care about what's inside. All right. Anything else in there? Nope, nothing else in there. Okay, stay away from the grimy bag. Ugh, I feel violated. Okay, like I said, I did see Jessica from Tiny Worlds of Wonder unbox this and tell the story of this artist. It's poured glue, so I'm going to roll it back a little bit, get everything out. Actually, I don't know if I am. It's really stiff. It's a stiff canvas. Okay. So apparently she knows the artist. She's visited the artist. She's been to the artist studio. We got to see the studio. We got to meet this artist. I really think this is beautiful. So let's see what we have. I think this is a new little thing that's added to the kits. This little, I don't know how you open it. I don't know. I'll mess with that later. I really don't know. Does it go this way? Oh, there we go. So there's like 5 little containers here. And I suppose if you collect a few, you've got a set to get up into. Here's the toolkit, Moss for Boat, wax, blue pen, and it has one of the thin 4 placers there. I like those. I keep those. Here's our inventory sheet and our drills. We'll look at all that in a minute. All right. I think I've let this sit here long enough that it will be flat. But, okay. Really? Just, really? Did you think there was any way that I could see that and not just be like, yes, please, right? It's flowers. First of all, it's flowers. It's red truck. It's shiplap. I'll call it shiplap. Yeah, right. Okay, so the story behind it is this artist actually did this painting for a festival called the Sweet Pea Festival. These are sweet peas. Sweet peas grow like a vine, and that's why it's kind of growing in front of the truck like that. They're beautiful. I actually just planted some seeds, some sweet peas, to hope to transplant out into my garden when it's warm enough. So it says sweet pea on the license plate. So it was created for this festival in their area. So yeah, I saw it and I was just like, okay, yes. So it's called Sweet Pea, and the artist is Wendy Marquis. I would say Marquis, Marquez, 2020. So apparently she did this just last year. It's gorgeous. Now I believe that there is another painting with a red truck, a big, long, wide one in a field of flowers. I passed up on that one because, I don't know, it was too big, and they're just, I didn't want all that field. I didn't think there was enough interest there for me. But this one, it's truck, flowers, you know, barnwood, shiplap wall. It looks like it's just sitting in front of a barn, doesn't it? I mean, if you've ever been at a barn. It has 38 colors. There is a legend on this side, and there is one on this side over here. There is a picture, a thumbnail picture up here with its size, which is 62 by 75. I didn't think that was extremely large. You get to do a lot of multiplacing through here, but yet there's other colors as well on that wall, right? And then of course you've got all the greenery down here and the flowers, and then the beautiful red truck. You know me and red trucks. I just distracted by diamonds at the top. Isn't it gorgeous? It's poured glue. It's good and sticky. Want to see drill field? Let's look at drill field. Why not? Let me make this focus for us. A little bit of confetti there. Lots of colors. All those flowers. Pinks, purples, blues, it looks like. Very nice. Very, very nice. I know we're getting a glare from the light, but... And then the sweet peas that just kind of are growing there up in front of the truck. I mean, I can kind of picture just like this old truck's just sitting there and the sweet peas are just kind of taking over, because that's what they do. They're vine. They have little tendrils. They wrap around things and they'll just grow, you know. They're beautiful. Oh, okay. Like I said, totally impulse. I just did it. I just did it. Funny thing is, I bought this while we were at the farm store. Yeah, we're at the farm store. Dale is somewhere looking at stuff, shopping for something, and I'm like this on my phone. Refresh, refresh, refresh. Oh, there it is, there it is. Poof. And what can I say? Here's the picture. Look at it. So she has like cards in her artist studio shop. I think she has a shop, studio, joint, you know. But look at, here's our symbols. Some just interesting symbols. Is that Walgreens? Number 4. Looks like the Walgreens symbol. I don't know. Look at, and then we got M. M's multicolored. I don't know. Probably not, but anyhow, there's our symbols, our DMC codes, 38 colors. Yes, this went super fast, and I find that happens with Distracted by Diamonds kits. They will go really fast for a while until, you know, people get them, and then it kind of slows down and it gets a little bit easier to get stuff. Although that patty wax, as I'm refreshing and refreshing, patty wax, it would be there, gone. A new one would come up, gone. So I love how the drills come. This may just cause me to put a few drills on this canvas. There's all that white, and it is white. It is not like an off-white. It's not a cream. It is white, which is going to go here, which is interesting on the bumper of this truck. the letters, more of the bumper here and here, and then all of that white wall in the back. I'm thinking it's a barn. That's what I'm calling it. It's parked in front of a barn, and the sweet peas are growing over it. You want to see some more colors besides the white? Look, we have white right there. You want that one? Stuck right there to the bag. I hope that means, you know, maybe since they're bagged, you know, sometimes the bags don't get sealed all over the way, and a few get up in the lip at the top. They want to escape, you know what I mean? All right. Beautiful, beautiful colors. All right, I'll just show you a few. Green, purple, salmon, yellows. Okay. Yellows, purple, green, black. We have some black. All right. Blues, greens. Oh, look at all those colors. There's 550 purple, 340 purple. Yeah. Beautiful purples. All right. What else we got? What else? Brown, cream, pink, grays, taupe. I call that taupe. Put them with the greens. I don't know. Browns. What else? What else? We're going to have red, right? Yep, there's red. There's our truck. Put that with salmon, green, blue. Look at these colors. Pretty, 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 pretty colors. Yes. Pink, blue. What are you? Brown? I don't know. Trying to kind of sort by color. Sort by color, kind of, sort of, you know. Sweet peas. Here's the sweet peas. Oh my goodness. Look at those colors. Those are so pretty. That is sweet peas for sure. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Love all of those. And then the rest is the white. 3 big honkin' bags of white. 5,200 white. They're gorgeous colors. Look at the purples, pinks. Those are our flowers right there. Those are definitely flowers. This is probably in the flowers. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. When can I do it? When can I do it? So pre-bagged with the DMC codes. It's pretty much kitted up. All I would do to this is like put a symbol on the bag. Put the symbol on the bag and put them in my little holder that I have, and I could work on it, right? Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. See? Impulse. It just got me. It got me. This one got me. All right. So that's what we have. They are round drills. Did I mention that they're round? Did I mention how pretty they are? Look at those. So nice. Love it. Okay. That's what I have, you guys. I have a feeling there might be more coming by this artist, and I hope I resist. I don't know. It's red truck. You know, that's, if it's not a red truck, I can probably stand the temptation a little better. But this one with the beautiful flowers, the truck, the barnwood wall, just screamed at me, and I listened. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and hit the like button, subscribe, check out memberships, tell a friend, call a friend, phone a friend, all that stuff. Anyhow, I'm done. Okay. I gotta put it away. That's the hard part, putting them away. Okay, let me go do that. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.